Hi everyone, welcome back to GridPro. In today's video, we'll take a look at one of the new features introduced in GridPro that helps with the rapid grouping of corners. Starting from GridPro version 10.1, new options have been added to efficiently group all external unassigned corners, as well as all external corners within a specific group. In this tutorial, we'll focus on how the Group External Unassigned Corners option can be used to save time in your meshing workflow. For this demonstration, we'll use a quarter sphere geometry as our test case. Our goal is to generate a mesh inside this quarter sphere. To begin, let's first create a basic topology for the geometry. Go to the Box Macro option and create a box macro topology using the Fit to Visible Surfaces option. Next, perform the surface assignments for all the flat surfaces using the Generic Assignment option. The remaining sheets need to be assigned to the curved surface of the quarter sphere. Since the current topology is an H-topology, the generic assignment option shows separate sheets for the assignment. Similarly, using the Get Adjacent Sheets option will select the individual sheets instead of all the sheets. While it is possible to manually select and group the corners for this geometry, it can become time-consuming, especially in H-type topology cases for more complex geometries with a larger number of corners. A more efficient approach is to use the new feature, click on Add Multiple Corners, and then select the unassigned boundary faces. This will automatically group all the external unassigned corners into a single corner group. Once grouped, these corners can be easily assigned to the corresponding surface. After completing the assignments, perform a boundary wrap to obtain a valid topology. Next, set the grid densities and run the grid smoother to generate the mesh. Once the grid is generated and loaded, you can see that the resulting grid is smooth with good quality parameters. We hope this video helped you understand quick corner grouping operations in GridPro. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the GridPro support team. Thank you for watching.